Alright, I'm gonna review adding integers. Let's start with -7 add -3. So tell me, are they same side or they are different side? They are same side. We're gonna add them up. Okay, so 7 add 3 is 10. Because both of them are negative, so I keep the side as -10. Let's try again. If I have -6 plus with -21. Again, they are same side, so you're gonna add them up. So 6 add 21 is 27, and make sure you keep the side is negative. So these problem as same side. Let's try this part. If I have -5 plus 8, okay, are they same side or they are different side? They are different side. Negative attached with a 5, 8 is positive because the plus attached with the 8. So when they are different side, we subtract. What is 8 take away 5? 3. So we're gonna keep the side of higher number. Absolute value of 8 is 8. Absolute value of -5 is 5. So 8 is greater than 5. So we keep it at the same side with number 8, which is positive. But we don't need to write that plus right there because we all know this is positive. All right, next I have, let's say, -12 plus 7. Okay, let's see, are they same side or they are different side? -12 attached with negatives attached with the 12. The plus is attached with the 7. So I say this is different side. So different side is subtract. What is 12 subtract 7? 5. Keep the side of higher number. So 12 and 7. Absolute value of -12 is 12. Absolute value of 7 is 7. So 12 is greater than 7. So we keep the side of bigger number, -5. All right. So we just practice addition. We just practice adding integers. Okay. Now we're gonna practice subtracting integers. Okay, so it's a little bit different. For subtracting integers, I'm gonna use KAO. All right, let's start with a problem. Let's say I have 2 minus 2, 7. Okay, I'm gonna do KAO. K is keep the first number minus, I'm gonna change a subtraction to addition. And what is the opposite of -7? 7. So 2 add 7 is 9, because they are both same side. Let's try this one. I have -8 minus subtract 2 -3. Okay, because this is subtraction, so I'm gonna use KAO. Keep, add, opposite. So keep the first number. If it is negative, make sure you keep it at negative. Change subtraction to addition. What is the opposite of -3? Just 3. Now it's become addition, so we may Remember to the song that we learned from yesterday, Row Row the Boat song. Same side, add and keep, different side, subtract. Because this is subtraction and this is addition. So they are different side. So you're going to subtract them. What is 8 take away 3? 5. Keep the side up higher number. So 8 is greater than 3. So the answer is negative.